How we going, everybody? It's Chris O. And today we're going to have a look at how to purchase some Bitcoin in Australia. This also works for New Zealand, I'm told. Anyway, let's get into it, shall we? The exchange we're going to be using is called Coinspot. Now, there's going to be a link in the description, the very first link you come to, which will take you to a page that looks exactly like this. All we need to do is hit register. It'll take us to a different page. We'll enter our email and password and redo the password. And now here our referrer or affiliate code. We're going to put in here 4A, capital A, capital M, capital D, capital M, 6. And that way it'll help the channel. Hit I'm not a robot and then create an account. So don't forget that user code, that referrer code. It's very important for both of us. Now I should point out that Coinspot will require you to have KYC, know your client. So we are going to have to show them our driver's license and they're going to need to ID us. Yeah. One further thing that Coinspot does that I haven't seen anyone else do is they personally call you, because they say they have had some scammers in the past who ring people from Australia, tell them to go into Coinspot, start up an account because it is so easy, deposit some funds, and then send it to them in BTC, in Bitcoin. So Coinspot do actually call each and every single person. So what that means is your account will be opened, and then usually within 24 hours, they will give you a call. Then you can go ahead and deposit more funds. Like this account will let you deposit up to $20,000 a day, but at first it'll just be $2,000. Not that I can see a lot of people buying more than $20,000 a day worth of Bitcoin. But it was just worth a mention that you will be getting a phone call. So once you do the first initial registration with your email and your password and that referrer code, it'll take you into a different section. Do fill out your name and address and all those things properly, and a correct phone number so those people can give you a call. Once we're in, we've just set up a little account here to have a look at some things. Now, the reason why this is easiest for Australia and New Zealand is Poly. Now, has anyone heard of the Poly accounts? What it allows us to do is to deposit some money directly through our bank and direct deposit straight into Coinspot. Okay, so we can continue. It gives us lots and lots and lots of different bank accounts, I'm sure. If you haven't got a bank account that's in Australia that's not in here, well, there's also BPay, Pay ID, and a cash deposit that you can do at most post offices and things. So we continue into Poly. It's quite easy. And then if you're with Bank of Melbourne or whoever, and then continue on from there. Okay? It's quite self-explanatory and really easy to work out. So if we go back to our dashboard, as soon as we complete all those things with the secure payments, our money will turn up here in funds available. And then all we have to do is simply scroll down and we'll buy some BTC. Simply put in our amount of Australian dollars that we want to buy Bitcoin in and hit buy. Super, super simple. Now this wallet is fantastic for Australia too, because you can also withdraw and turn it back into fiat, into, cash. So if we want to buy and sell, you can buy and sell lots and lots and lots of different cryptos here, Tron, Dash, Uniswap, and absolutely anything. And when you press sell, it sells the crypto and puts the money back here in account funds. And then all we need to do is go over to the side here and we'll withdraw Australian dollars. And that will put it back into our bank account that we set up here. It's incredibly quite easy. So hit the link, the very first link in the description below, and get yourself set up for Coinspot, deposit some accounts, and you're on your way. If there are any questions on this, please do leave them in the comment section below. Happy to help where I can. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.